Hey guys, we are adding a Facebook Messenger channel to Whautomate platform. In this video, we will look at how to integrate your Facebook page to Whautomate platform in order for Whautomate to receive messages and also send messages on your behalf. And you can use our GPT-powered AI chatbot to automate the experience for your customers and boost your brand loyalty and customer engagement for your business to get a competitive edge. Yeah, let's dive into the demo. Connecting your Facebook page is simple. It just takes 30 seconds or more to be able to do so. Let's dive into the demo. In order to do so, after you log into our platform, you have to go to the Facebook Messenger and click on connect, and you should see a call to action called connect with Messenger. Click on it, and you'll have to go through the authorization flow. This is where you're actually giving access to Whautomate platform to be able to receive messages on your behalf and also send messages on your behalf as well. Since I've already connected, I'll click on edit previous settings just to show you the whole process as such. So here, since some accounts may be tied with Facebook business as such, and in order for us to access a page managed by a Facebook business, we need to get access to that as well. So it will list the Facebook business. You select, if you know exactly which business owns a particular page, you can select that particular business. If you are not sure, you can select all as well. And in this demo, I want to connect the Mystic Makers demo page that I've just created. And I'm going to select that page and I'm going to click on continue. And these are the permissions that Whautomate uses, Whautomate needs for our app to actually be able to receive and send messages seamlessly. I am happy with all these. I'm going to click on save and click on got it. If everything goes well, you should see a success message, and then you will have to click on go back to Messenger. Since you can authorize multiple pages, we just have this one more step where you have to select the specific page that you're connecting to our Whautomate account as such. You can connect as many pages as you want within Whautomate, but all you have to do is create multiple locations and allocate different pages to different accounts as such, locations as such. I'm going to click on connect page. Now that is done, if you want to automate the experience, you can go into automations, and I have already installed the AI chatbot, but if you want to install the AI chatbot, it's pretty easy to do so as well. All you have to do is probably you can filter based on the channel Messenger we just saw. Since it's already installed, it is disabled, but if you're starting up new, you can click on install on one of these rules. For the customer service GPT bot, you will have to have your OpenAI account as well. So we've got that. You'll have to set up your OpenAI account, and if you want the AI chatbot to respond on your business behalf, in order for AI chatbot to respond, understanding your business, you will have to load your files, which we have done detailed videos for other channels. It's sort of shipped up. Now that everything is set up and the Facebook page is connected, let's jump into testing it. Okay, in order to test this, I am going to go to the Messenger, and I've already got the direct link. So let's just, this is previous testing, but let's just test it out as well. I'm gonna message. Now that I've set up the integration, I am actually receiving the message in here. The notification, and I should go through the automated experience as well. I can see all of the conversations in the team inbox, and this is the account that I'm messaging from, and I'm sort of getting the reply as well. So what are the channels available in Whautomate? If I ask this question, we've already passed on this information to the AI. The AI should actually respond as well. Yeah, it is responding pretty quickly, and if you want to do the human agent as well, so you can always take over the conversation, assign it to one of your team members, or you can take over the conversation yourself as well. So I am reply, and the conversation is now moved into open status. That is, a human agent has taken over, and it's just the person that's logged in, and you're getting the response as well. And you can also send medias, images, video, documents, just like Messenger, to engage with your clients as well. And you can automate sending those through automations as well. Connect your Facebook page and provide automated experience for your customers using Whautomate platform. Sign up for a free trial at whautomate.com. Thank you.